Pythonic way to do something n times without an index variable? I have some code like. I want to do something n times. The code inside the loop doesn't depend on the value of I. Is it possible to do this simple task without creating a useless index variable, or in an otherwise more elegant way? How?
A slightly faster approach than looping on range n is.
Use the underscore variable, like so.
I just use for underscore in range n, it's straight to the point. It's going to generate the entire list for huge numbers in Python 2, but if you're using Python 3 it's not a problem.
Since function is first-class citizen, you can write small wrapper from Alex answers. Then you can pass function as argument.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.